Good morning, everybody.
Yes, good morning.
Myself is Frige. I'm working with FabCars as an EA. First of all, I would like to thank Mehul Patodia and Varun Patodia, the directors, who have thought for us to be a part of this team and where we can make the changes into the system, what we are planning to. In the last 2, 3 sessions, whatever we have attended, I've attended the EA, the HRMS, and Sanjeev sir's class also. We could implement first as the system which is not there. So the process, what we want to do in the company, the setup of those things before we come up with the FMS and all the systems to be generated. So there are few things, that is the advanced document sharing, which we have started. First, we are collecting all the documents and everything, placing in one place, and then how we can get it into, like, if anybody requires it, it goes in one shot. Like we have the bankers requirement, we have couple of other for insurance purpose and for the RTO. So there are many documents that we require. So earlier, what we used to do is, like, saving in D drive or C drive. So now, after joining this session, we have started with the advanced document sharing, where all the documents goes in once, not even 1 second, I can say. Yes, right, 1 second. So everything is now in system in that part, that is advanced sharing document. Then we have started the delegation system, where we come to know about people who are, I have to call them, repeated reminders, repeated follow-ups. And again, I have to keep thinking about it, whatever I've given them is completed or not. So then the continuous follow-up was like too much. So the delegation sheet has done one part of role. The second part of the delegation sheet is that the employee should take the pain to, update, verify, and update. That is the major challenge we have. That we have to insist them, कि भाई आप ये update करो. Only then our task gets completed. Till then, it keeps on having a recurring reminders on, it's pending, 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 and people get little agitated on that. So we have asked the employees also, भाई आपका task जो भी है complete हो गया तो आप update कर दो. At least we don't keep on reminding on that. And as being an EA for past 15 years, uh, I have always observed that, whatever we have studied, the companies used to grasp from me. कि आपने क्या सीखा है और क्या कंपनी को दोगे. This is the first company, and I know all the directors out over here, they are all giving something for us to study and adding value to our portfolio. So I would, that is main thing. That, but the key part which is there, this is the first time where, it made me so simpler my work, by using my keep system. Like, the daily task, I could first I used to write in paper, then I used to put a to-do list on my screen, and I used to use OneNote, so it became tedious. Now my keep is associated with my directors. So whenever I sit with them also, it is very easy for them to talk to me, and we complete within 5 to 10 minutes. So he is also aware whatever I am doing and what is a pending task where his action is also required. So that is one keep has been implemented. And then we have started, like last time we had Sujit ji training us for the HRMS, for the culture charter. So I had given him a schedule, like, STD, like 9 o'clock we will start the session in our office. And we have started that also. We have discussed with first two departments. That is, one is with the credit control and one is with the billing department, to prepare your culture charter. And then we will follow the rest in the following days. And then there is one major important part was with the RTO automation. So we were facing a literally, my DME literally was, frustrated with the RTO automation also, because every after 5 days the system which we had generated was getting stuck, blocked, and again she had to refresh it, and it was getting a pain, like, literally. So then we diverted into to over here in the repeat reminder, which last time Sanjeev ji had asked us. So that also has given us a little bit relax in that area. And also, as I said, being a EA, calendar management was an important part also for me, which I never did in my 15 years. It was always in the Outlook we did. But Calendly and calendar management both has played a major role in my portfolio also. And email management system, the priority emails and the reminders, like you get the electricity, because I play an admin role also. So in that also we have couple of reminders for what do you say, the telephone bills and extra etc etc. So in that also we used to use the snooze part. So mainly my EA area has covered 30% of my working, and thanks to your team for supporting us. Few more things we are planning to implement, and very soon we will be doing that. Thank you.
Very good, Frige. I'm very happy to hear. Excellent work.